Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a much requested video. It's going to be a review of the Burt's Bees makeup line. Now, I think Burt's Bees has been around for a long time for their skincare and lip products, but they came out with makeup, I want to say recently, but it's really been like a few months. I'm just really late on reviewing it because I'm late on doing things. I'm sorry. They came out with like a full makeup line with such as foundations and mascaras and eyeshadows and blushes and so on. So I want to be doing like a first impressions tutorial with that today and telling you guys my thoughts about it as I go through the video. So I hope you're excited about that. I think it's about time I review it. I've been really interested in it and I went to like 2 different Ultas. They didn't have it in store. I went to a CVS. They didn't have it in store. So I finally just ordered it on Ulta's website and they had it all there. Now, I think the price, well, Burt's Bees is like drugstore, but it's like bougie drugstore, if that makes sense, because it's kind of sort of pricey for the drugstore. So this makeup from the drugstore, I'm hoping it'll be pretty good because it's not, well, especially at Ulta at least, it's not the cheapest drugstore makeup. Now, it's not obviously as expensive as Sephora makeup, but girl, I was like, okay, I see you with the prices for drugstore makeup. That might just be me though. Like I say, Wet n Wild and Rimmel are like really low, and then you have like L'Oreal, Maybelline, and now you got Burt's Bees. But I'm excited to review it, so without further ado, I'm gonna sing the subscribe song and then we'll get jump. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'm out of focus. Subscribe. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I have a little kitty sleeping under me. It's Lou, my little black kitty. He is never inside, and lately he's like, I'm not going out in the backyard. I don't know what the deal is, but he ain't into it. So first I'm going to prime my skin because there is not a facial primer with Burt's Bees. At least there wasn't sold one online. So I'm going to prime my skin. We'll get started with the foundation. I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of the Mario Badescu spritzers. I just like this. I feel like it makes the skin refreshed, and it also smells delish. Oh, it tastes horrible, and the spritzer is powerful, but I still like it. Okay, so I ordered 2 shades of the foundation, and you gotta be careful with these foundation shades because I'm gonna show you. I got 103.5 and 140, so 35 and 40, I should say. And if you can see, like, this is yellow, this is pink. I'm definitely gonna go with this one. This one's way too pinky for me, and the colors are so completely different, but I believe these are only one step from one another, so you definitely gotta be careful with ordering the shades. I'm gonna use the 35 one, Soft Honey, but the bottle's really cute. I like the bee packaging. Oh, it's a pump, girl. They got the pump. It's weird that like the 140 is way, this is just weird. Dude. It's gonna be way too light. This is what happens when Laura buys her foundation online. I mean, sometimes I get it right because like I know my shade, but here's the thing, like I'm normally like a honey or a natural beige, but every brand calls their foundation honey and natural beige, and it's a completely different shade. So I'm just gonna use my Y6. Maybe it won't be too bad. So far it's not too bad. The coverage of this foundation, it smells a little weird. It smells kind of like their skincare products, which is like really natural, kind of strong. And it feels good on my skin, but it has like no coverage. Because you see this red zit? It's almost kind of like a lightweight foundation. Not a lot of coverage. Good to know. So if you're not a full coverage girl, you might like this one. Add just a little bit more to layer it up a little bit. It feels nice and tacky, and it's like going on the skin really pretty. Just light coverage, I would say. So I think this is supposed to be a glowy foundation because it says goodness glows. Oh Jesus, it says a full coverage mineral formula. They better settle down. This is, I would say this is actually a little bit far from full coverage. Like, I would say just as far as like literally I have redness right here and right here from a zit, and me packing it on really tightly maybe gave it to a medium coverage, but I don't think this is full coverage. Now I do use like a NARS or Jouer, which is very full coverage, so I am comparing this to like a super full coverage situation, but I don't know guys, I just really wouldn't consider this full coverage. Medium coverage at best. It's not heavy or greasy. It feels super moisturizing. I completely agree with that. And it has Meadow Foam Seed Oil. It's known for moisturizing the skin, naturally, beautiful results, blah, blah, blah. Loves it. Okay, I think it's a nice foundation. Just don't think it's full coverage, but I think it is a nice foundation so far. And it does feel somewhat lightweight. So let's move on. I'm going to add some of my own concealer because I didn't see they had concealer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of my concealer on. This is the baby you guys never see. Is he not the most beautiful cat in the world? I love his hey boy. Okay. Next up, I have some of their mattifying powder, which I think the packaging is really cute for. I'm going to put some on my under eye. It looks like a little bee situation. I don't know. I think it's really cute and it feels really heavy and nice. I bought it in shade Almond and shade Vanilla. I'm going to take an E49. Oh my gosh. Look how much comes off. Very pigmented, might I add. And it's very soft powder. Like, it feels like I can never talk and put on powder because I swear to God I inhale it and I'm like I don't know. I feel like I'm the only one who does that on YouTube. I see other beauty people pack on powder and just talk away and I'm like, how are you guys doing that? I can't. I don't know if it's just me, if it's in my head. I don't know. Anyways, I can't do it, but I'm going to put this powder on and it feels like pure silk on my under eye, so it feels really nice. So I just added the lighter vanilla powder where places that need highlighting. And I'm gonna add almond, which is a little bit more deeper, to other places with a Y5, kind of like a contoured area. I think what I was hoping on the website when I ordered this, I could use it like a bronzer, but I definitely cannot because the colors are a little light, which sucks because that means I gotta get up and get a bronzer. I'm filming by myself today. Ty is normally home and I can like call him on his phone and he'll come in the room and help me out because I'm like in a contraption where I have to like take part of it down to get out of my contraption to get one little thing, and it's super annoying, guys. It's super annoying, but that's okay. We're gonna keep the party moving. Because that powder won't work as a bronzer, I'm just gonna add a little bit on and then we will move on to blush and eyes and all kinds of fun stuff. For blush, I got Shy Pink. It looks so pretty. Again, it has the little honeycomb on it. And this is 100% natural. It says blush with bamboo. To be completely honest, I don't know what blush with bamboo means. Maybe it's something good for your skin. I don't know. But it is nice that it's 100% natural. So I'm going to apply this with an angled brush. This is an E4, which is a fabulous blush brush. Oh, this color's pretty. It's a very pretty pink. Really is complementing my skin tone. A little rosy. I'm kind of getting back into blush a little bit. I know I was out of it for a minute, but now I'm like, okay, I love it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter. Unfortunately, they don't have a highlighter yet, and I'm like, girl, where are you at with a highlighter? So you know, I gotta look like a greasy piece of chicken. So we're gonna add the glow. I got two other eyeshadow palettes. I got Blooming Desert and Countryside Lilac. These names are so funny. They crack me up. But they're little eyeshadow palettes, and they have 3 eyeshadows in them each. So let's just swatch and see. Girl, I'm skeptical. So they're all 3 shimmer in the first palette, the Desert palette, and they feel a little bit dry. So I'm a little nervous. That feels like a desert, if you know what I mean. Oh girl, the center color feels like crap, and the white one's super pigmented, and this one feels like chalkiness. Oh baby Jesus, baby Jesus. So my job is to make this work on my eyes, but just know, based off swatches, it feels like caca. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a Morphe M573 brush and tap into the lightest shade of this palette. And I'm gonna apply that all over. You guys know I normally do this to soften up the primer I have down. In this case, I just have some concealer down, which makes everything blend a lot easier, my darling, a lot easier. Ooh. Yeah, these colors don't feel that great. I'm gonna take a R39 in the purple shade right here. Like, there's no transition shade in these palettes, and that's okay because it's just like literally 3 colors, so you know, it's supposed to be like a really simple palette for everyday look. I mean, the color does have some pigment to it. It just feels a little bit dry when blending it out. So it definitely doesn't feel like a complete crap eyeshadow, but it's not my favorite. It to build it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to do somewhat of a simple eye look since, you know, we don't have that much to work with here. So I'm just gonna be honest, like, I don't love these eyeshadows, so I'm not gonna recommend these to you. The foundation I think looks pretty, the blush looks really pretty. We'll continue to see, so on and so forth. The powder felt really nice as well. This color just, I really want to put on my eyelid, but it's like almost nothing comes off. It's almost irritating, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this light shade in the eyeball, in my eyeball, on my eyelid with my finger. I just feel like the bronze color wouldn't really match the purple. All right, this is really a simple 2 shadow eye look. I'm gonna pop some on the brow bone as well, but a very simple look. You can even do this for every day if you wanted to, but so now I'm gonna try out some of their liner. I got the Nourishing Eye Liner. It says it resists fading and smearing. I like it. I got the shade Soft Black. Okay, here I go. I'm just gonna add some. And it comes off really creamy, so I do like that. It even, yeah, it goes in the waterline, super nice. So the liner, I don't know how well it lasts, but it goes on really creamy and nice. Next up, we have their mascara. It's a Nourishing Mascara to test out, and it says visibly longer lashes, definition instantly. And I also got this one in the shade Black. Gonna open it. It says 100% natural. Here's what the wand looks like. It's one of those spiky little plastic wands. So we're gonna put this on my lashes. See what happens. It feels really sticky. It feels kind of dry. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's not like going on the lashes very well. It's getting a little better. It definitely builds up, so I would say like there's some volume with the mascara. I think that the mascara is somewhat thickening, and I don't think it lifted my lashes a lot, but most mascaras don't because I wear false lashes every day, so it causes my lashes to grow downward, and it's super annoying. But I do feel like the wand, because it was like prickly and plastic, that it did separate the lashes as it was thickening them, so they didn't get too clumpy. So I do like the mascara. Is it like life-changing? No, but it is like a nice mascara. With that being said, I'm gonna add some false lashes. I'm gonna take an M4 brush in the shade, and we're gonna apply it to the lower lash line and just buff it out. I did purchase a Burt's Beads lipstick, and this one is called Suede Splash, which is like a pretty spicy, warm nude color. Let's see how it looks on the lips. I always start my videos with a little bit of lip, like chapstick stuff on. So I gotta wipe it off. Lipstick is really pretty and it's really full of pigment. It is a shiny finish, which is very pretty. Not typically what I go for on the norm. The next one I got one I'm gonna try out is Now Nude, which is a pretty lighter nude shade. The shade has like some shimmer in it, which is interesting. It looks like a gloss almost, which this one I like better out of the two. I think it's really pretty. So I also bought a gloss, and we might as well try it out for shits and giggles. This is called Autumn Haze. It does look really pretty. Looks like a lip topper almost because it's got so much sparkle and shine in it. Gotta be strong. Got it open. Very light and natural, and the gloss does not feel sticky at all, which I'm like here for. All right, guys, this is our final look. What do you guys think about the makeup? Will you be purchasing Burt's Bees makeup? Have you purchased it? What do you think about it? Leave that conversation in the comment section right down below. Also, let me just give a really quick rundown. Foundation, I like it. I would say light to medium coverage. I haven't worn it all day, but I'll put in the description box my feelings on it and how it wears all day, because I will have this on all day. Really like the mattifying face powder. I love the blush. I do not recommend the eyeshadows. I like the lipsticks. The mascara was okay, and the eyeliner was really nice. So that is my rundown on this video. I hope it was helpful and answered your questions on bee makeup, Burt's Bees natural makeup. Really interesting makeup line, but I'm here for some of it. You know, not all of it, but some of it. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to this channel before you leave. That way you can get updates on videos that I post. I post 3 times a week, and also be sure and hit the notification bell. Ding! That way you'll get notified whenever my videos are up, and you'll be the first to watch. I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I will catch you over in my next video. Bye, guys.